Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your OS and updates, then open Settings immediately with Win+I. Once in Settings, navigate to Personalization and choose Taskbar. This puts you right where the Taskbar options are. Make sure Taskbar Auto Hide is off to see changes and have a spare mouse or keyboard handy. You're starting the process now, so don't detour. These prerequisites let you change position reliably. Once done, locate the Taskbar Behaviors or Taskbar Settings panel to access position and shortcut options. You'll edit the registry only after a backup. Press Win+R, type Regedit, and export the registry hive. Next, create a key or use an existing startup shortcut that points to a VBS or PowerShell script which toggles taskbar position. This script changes taskbar settings and restarts Explorer. Then create a desktop shortcut to that script. Right-click it, choose Properties, and assign a hotkey in the shortcut key field. For example, Ctrl+Alt+T. Make sure script permissions are correct so the hotkey runs elevated when needed. You'll test the hotkey immediately. Press the assigned keys and confirm the taskbar moves. If nothing happens, restart Explorer via Task Manager or reboot the PC to ensure the script applies. If the taskbar misbehaves, restore the registry from the backup you made earlier and boot into safe mode to repair. Also check script execution rights and that the shortcut remains linked. Make sure the shortcut is not blocked by antivirus. One quick troubleshooting tip: restarting Explorer. EXE usually clears transient position issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.